Good morning, everyone. It's Coloring Party with Friends on Monday. It is hosted by Grandma Sandy. So come along with me and friends as we color on this Coloring Party Monday. I'm going to show you my first picture here. It says, "Let heaven and earth praise him." Psalm 69:34. My next coloring, Psalms 93:4. Mightier than the thunder of the great waters, mightier than the breakers of the sea. The Lord on high is mighty. And this coloring book is called We Have This Hope. And I'm thinking I purchased this one from Walmart. And as I told you, I used to do a lot of coloring. So as you can see, as I take you through my coloring books, I have done a lot of coloring. I used to sit for hours in color. So if you haven't tried it, I suggest you just give it a try. And as I said before, you do not have to be perfect at it, but it's very relaxing, it's soothing, and it's also a stress reliever. And I'm sure Grandma Sandy would love to have you come along with us on Coloring Party on Monday. My next one is This Girl Rules the World. And this book here is a fashion coloring book. She has her coffee. She's like me, can't do without it. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this coloring party on Monday. And if you're not a part of the design family, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to ring that bell and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. My next coloring book is ABC The Golden Girls. And I'm sure you all remember this show on ABC. It was a hit. Now in this one, I really have not done a whole lot of coloring. I think this was the last one I purchased before I started my channel. So I didn't really get a whole lot colored in it. But now that we're having coloring party on Monday, that is not going to be a problem for this book. And I purchased this one at a bookstore. I want to thank my old and new subscribers for coming along with me on this journey. We almost at the 500 mark, and I just want to send out a thank you to all of you. I want to thank Grandma Sandy again for inviting me to be a part of her coloring party with friends on Monday. This is Emma, and I will be seeing you in my next video.